To connect Hotspot in Google Pixel 9, start by opening Settings. Then you're going to select Network and Internet. Then you're going to select the hotspot and tethering. And then choose the Wi-Fi hotspot. So one thing to note about Wi-Fi hotspot, if you are connected to a Wi-Fi network already, so if I'm connected to this network, it's not going to hotspot your mobile data. It will rebroadcast the Wi-Fi network you are connected to. So you want to turn off Wi-Fi if you want to hotspot your mobile data. Once we've done that, we can then turn on the Wi-Fi hotspot, and it's going to create a Wi-Fi network for our mobile data, or it will rebroadcast the Wi-Fi if we are on Wi-Fi. You need to be on this Wi-Fi hotspot screen in order for other devices to see your network. So on the other device, you'd head to the battery settings or the Wi-Fi settings even, and then you will see your pixel show up, and you can enter in your passcode to connect. Now that password is quite complicated, so I'm just going to change it to something simple. And then, I'll be able to connect to that hotspot easier. Now there is one more thing with Pixel 9. If for some reason you're not seeing your hotspot show up, then under speed and compatibility, if you set this to 6 GHz, you want to set that down to the 2.415 GHz option, as that will help you out. The last thing is to quickly turn on your hotspot. Just swipe down from the top twice, swipe to the left, and there should be a hotspot option. There it is. You can tap this to turn it on or off, and you can long press this to head to your Wi-Fi hotspot settings.